Editing a salary payslip (PDF) on your mobile is now quick and surprisingly easy with AI tools. Start by opening your browser and searching for Usered, then open the website and log in to your account. Once you're inside, go to the Project section and select Start from Screenshot. Then choose the desktop option in the prompt box and click on Upload an image to upload your payslip file or its screenshot. After uploading, the tool will ask you to choose between Modify with AI and Place on Canvas. Select Place on Canvas to begin editing manually. Now you can edit any part of the document, such as name, amount, or other details, and the tool will automatically match the font style to keep everything consistent and realistic. Once your edits are complete, click on the Export button to save your file and download the final version. This method makes editing PDFs on mobile simple, fast, and accessible without needing advanced software.